Hey everyone, so this would be a unboxing and quick look here. These ones are black, but these are true wireless Bluetooth sunglasses here from Lecool, which apparently is a Lenovo smart lab brand. Apparently it's from Lenovo. A lot of this is in another language I cannot read, so let's just go ahead and look at these. These do look pretty cool. I think Bose makes them. Not these specific ones, but they make something similar. Uses micro USB. Lecool. Kind of a cheap. Oh, that's still kind of cheap too. At least it's foamy on the bottom there. So here is your Bluetooth headphones, or your, I don't know why I said headphones. You guys are kind of like headphones, right? Bluetooth sunglasses. This is what they look like. They look like sunglasses. They look like cheap sunglasses, really, with a little bit of thickness to them. They got that thick going on. You guys can see it does have a T there. Not sure what the T means, since the name is Lecool and it's Lenovo. See, then we can plug them in here, charge them up here, it looks like. I'm gonna guess that is your power button. Yeah. Alright, so these actually turned on right away. Connected to my little iPhone SE3 here right away. This I'm not gonna be really show off too well. Not that. There's some royalty-free music on YouTube. I believe the speakers are right here. These things are really bent. Right here. Look how bent those are. And there. So I'm sorry these are kind of hard to show off. Again, this is from an Amazon mystery box. They're just a bunch of random stuff. This is one of the things. They do not sound great, of course. I mean, you can see they're pretty cheap looking. They are from Lenovo, which, I mean, Lenovo is a good brand. They're not horrible. They're not bad. I mean, since you don't actually have anything in your ears, they're actually not that bad. I mean, if you ran with these, I think they'd actually be pretty sweet. I mean, there's not like fantastic sounding music, but it's good enough to like run with. And I think these are polarized. I want to say these are polarized. As when I put them on, they look like they're polarized. I could be wrong in that. But it might tell me on here. But yeah, these things are not bad. These are Lecool C8. For those that I don't know what their actual name is. Yeah, so again, this was part of a Amazon mystery box my brother got. So pretty cool. I think these are pretty good. I'm not sure. Again, I don't know how much these things actually cost. So it looks like on Walmart they are $26. I don't know. These are not the same thing. Here they are $23.50 on AliExpress. They are $35. That is U.S. pricing. I'd say they're worth about $25. You might get a headache after listening to them, especially in full volume after a while. But I mean, just for a pair of headphones that are not like too terrible. I think $25 is too bad. Again, they're pretty cheap looking. They are pretty cheap feeling. $25, I'd say okay. Again, maybe if you want to go running with them or something. Not bad. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts. Goodbye.